Greetings to everyone. My name is Natalia Špilka. I'm a co-founder of Borisvan Waldorf School, and today I'd like to tell you a small story how we keep our school afloat together with our students in the Carpathian mountains, the school that we had to evacuate from Kyiv in order to provide our teachers and students with a safer space. It was very challenging to sustain a school away from its main location. It required a lot of dedication from teachers, because they needed to spend more than just a few hours a day in class with the students, as they had used to back in Kyiv. It actually was 24/7, as the kids sometimes got sick, tired, or just needed something that they normally had at home. We took almost 40 students far away from their parents in Kyiv and organized our study there in the Carpathian mountains. We had 6 days of classes and a day off. The good thing about it was that the time students normally spent on their transfer to school was free, and we could do much more with them in class. Our older students had quite interesting classes of social science, history of Ukraine, sexual education, algebra, geometry. And as their teachers were constantly around, they always had a chance to ask for help with their homework, to clarify some questions. It created a closer relationship between students and teachers compared to that they had back in Kyiv. Younger children lived with their parents just because they couldn't do without them yet. Thus, one of the parents had to come here to be together with their child. They had their own accommodations and brought their children to our camp school every day. We evacuated our students to give them a safer space where they didn't have to be afraid of any loud sound or any noise. We know how much it affects their emotional stability. When we came back to school in September, Kyiv had been relatively safe for a long time. But very soon the situation changed again. We knew how traumatic it was for the students to stay alert. We wanted to provide them with a safer space, this alternative one, and say, we create peace where we are now. And we were then working hard, trying to create this safer space for them, maintain it, and protect our children as much as we could, so that they wouldn't feel that something was missing in their lives. And it looked like they didn't have that feeling. To some extent, they were quite overloaded by different experiences there, but they definitely missed their parents and homes. So did our teachers very much. At the same time, there was much that felt us all up these days. Our festivals and usual Waldorf events. Lantern Walk, the Spiral, St. Nicholas Day, when our younger children received small gifts made by their teachers. Then we had our Christmas celebration before our winter holidays. We sang Ukrainian Christmas carols, wishing everybody well-being and happiness, which is traditionally called kolyada in Ukraine. We were invited to the local church communities to sing Christmas carols together. Local people were very pleased to share their tradition of singing Christmas carols with children from Kyiv, and to know that Kyiv children could sing a lot of Christmas carols that the people in the Carpathians traditionally sing. We kept doing everything we had done before during our peaceful life. It was extremely hard. We had to put huge effort into this process. Both the teachers and the students did feel exhausted, but it was definitely better than giving up or having school holidays nobody knows for how long. Maybe for half a year, or moving to another country. We decided that a better option for us was to do something and create a peaceful space around us as much as we could. This added a very special sense to everything we did. Teachers' effort and will and parents' trust made it all possible. The parents entrusted us with the most precious thing in their lives, their children. That motivated us much. And of course, it was possible due to some charity organizations that provided us with financial support. The financial resources of the parents in our school community were very limited, and we wouldn't be able to even dream about our little safe world without this external support. We are very grateful to all our benefactors. Our students also know about the help of the benefactors and highly appreciate every donation to our school. Children wrote some letters to thank everybody who supported us. We also sent them some photographs in summer. We are grateful to all of you. When the war is over, we will keep these memories about the people who didn't know us, never saw us, never attended our school, but did support us, people that have the feeling of compassion in their hearts. These will be very precious memories for our children, something important for their future. I don't know what it will be, but I see this as having a special sense for them. This humane attitude that spreads over the borders of the countries. We'll keep maintaining that peaceful space for our children and calling for the financial support, as we can't do it on our own. It's impossible for us without your support, no matter how much we aim at it. We will hope and work hard to make victory come into our lives. Due to the support of those who we could reach out, we still exist as a school, and we are so much grateful for your contribution. It's really hard to put it into words. It's like being grateful to someone for life. It's hard to verbalize what you feel when you're grateful to someone for life. But we do feel this gratitude to the people whose help gives us a possibility to live our lives to the fullest. We are grateful to everybody who would like to join the group of our supporters and benefactors. This is so much important for us. This video is meant for showing you how important it is for us and our students, and showing some bits and pieces of our life, and how your help changes it and makes it better. Thank you very much.